में हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे रेस्टोरेंट की जिसमें मैं नहीं गया टू बी ऑनेस्ट, और मैं अपना रोल एज्यूम कर रहा हूँ जो मैं ऑलरेडी करता हूँ एसीटी देसी में। उस रेस्टोरेंट का नाम है
टिंकर टेलर।
टिंकर टेलर। ये कहाँ पे है?
ये है मैक्वेरी नेक्स्ट टू जेमिसन प्लाजा।
टिंकर टेलर में ये गई तो आपने वहाँ पे क्या ऑर्डर किया?
So basically it's more of a brekkie joint. There are a lot of people there who come to the Belcon and fresh food market. So when I went there, it was bustling. Like there was not even one single table free.
But ये क्या नया रेस्टोरेंट है कि पुराना
ये
रेस्टोरेंट है?
established है and it's just that ownership has changed hands.
okay.
But it's essentially the same joint with the same menu. It's a
Right.
continental menu catering to breakfast options.
आपने ऑर्डर क्या किया वहाँ पे?
एक BNE जो कि bacon and egg sandwich, it's like an open multi-grain sourdough based brekkie option, and then we also ordered an avocado, which is like an avocado topped sourdough plain open sandwich, and it was the most popular option going across tables. Apart from that, we also had eggs on toast, which is like your regular, yes.
So for 6 or 7 people of all those different things that you ordered, how much would you give for the taste?
I would say because there is only that much you can do with sandwiches and open sourdough, toast. I think I would go with 3 stars.
3 stars for food in terms of ambience, क्योंकि ये established restaurant है और कई लोग already जा भी चुके होंगे यहाँ पे, आपने शायद taste भी किया होगा. According to you, you were there for the first time. How many stars would you give?
I think in terms of ambience, the only thing that didn't work for me was the doors were open throughout, and it's got an open seating as well as an indoor setting. It was a very warm morning. In that sense, I think they should have done something about the indoor setting and making it more cooler. Otherwise, it was fine. Like I would give it 2.5 stars.
2.5 stars for the ambience. In terms of pricing, if a family of 4, like अगर हम जाते 4 लोग for a brekkie, how much would you think it would cost to a family?
Easily going across $80.
How many stars would you give?
I think I would go with 3 stars. And if you like that kind of food on a busy Sunday market outing, I think this is the joint for you.
But if you have been there, do comment and tell us your story and how much you like that place, what you like, what you did not like, and if you really want to share some love for us, just like and share this video again, and we'll come back next time. और आप हैं मेरे यानी आपके अपने विकास के साथ, और ये मेरे साथ कविता मुझे बोलते बोलते याद आ गया, मैं एसीटी देसी बोलने वाला था लेकिन ये 2 दीवाने शहर के में है और हम हैं आपके अपने दोनों कपल जो है इस शहर में आपके लिए।